in beautiful Australia at Sydney International Boat Show. I want to show you this beautiful boat. It is 2023 Horizon FD80. Let's take a look. We are entering beautiful outside seating area. There's plenty of room for a lot of people. I like how this door opens, so you feel like your inside area is combined with your outside area. Let's enter the salon. Nice, beautiful furniture. And there is half a bath here. It's very convenient, very nice location. So if you're playing outside and you need to use the bathroom, you don't need to make everything wet inside. It's right by the door. Very nice, very luxury. Beautiful large windows. Oh, I love this table. You can have a conversation or play games. Really nice. Here's a wine cooler and really neat cabinet for your glassware. Let's enter the galley. Oh my gosh, this is so roomy and so beautiful. Looks like quartz countertops, and the floor matches the countertops. Very nice. This looks like a pantry. Oh yay. Nice. Okay, more room here. Very nice cooktop. Induction. Here's the fan here. Lots of little drawers. This is a storage for your dishes or whatever you want to put there. More storage. Oh, this is really nice. Let me show you. Oh, look how deep it is. There's this little clip there. Nice. All right, let's see. There should be a dishwasher here. Yes, there's a dishwasher. It's very nice to have a dishwasher on the boat. A very deep sink. And this is a nice large refrigerator. Actually, this is a freezer. Wow. This is a freezer and you can lock it. And we have double oven. This is a microwave, probably conventional oil or oven. And a regular oven here. So microwave oven combination. And this must be the fridge. Oh yay, humongous. Very nice. Full of drinks. That's what we need on the boat. Okay, let's keep going. I like this glass here. We're entering the master, and I like that the master is on the main level. Wow, this is beautiful. Look how nice and spacious it is. Big TV, lots of storage, humongous windows. You can enjoy your ride, or you wake up on the anchor and it's so beautiful and peaceful. Oh, that is huge storage area. And look, there are some drawers here too. Safe. And drawers here. Okay. So yeah, this wardrobe, it goes all the way around. All right, let's see what else. Nice beautifying table. Little drawers here. Look at the handles, how pretty. And a nightstand. And solid surface. So this side is identical pretty much. And we are entering the master suite. Beautiful bathroom. Here's a toilet. Oh, I can feel the heated floors. Must be heated. Unless it's just hot. And look how nice. I'll show you everything here. Let's see what's in here. Must be something. Oh, this is another thing. Drawers. Oh, this is a gorgeous shower, look. There's a rain shower. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And a little bench there. And nice flooring. All right. That's very nice. Look at the details. Let's go check out guest cabins. We're entering on the starboard side. All right. Here's a twin cabin. Very spacious. And it has its own bathroom. Let's look at the shower. Very nice shower with a little bench. Very nice. Lots of storage here for your guests. Storage underneath. Let's see what's in here. Very large wardrobe for your guests with drawers here. Very beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the design of this cabin. TV. And nightstand. Really nice. Underbed lighting. All right. Guest cabin number 2. Wow. This is nice king bed. Let's go look at the bathroom. Oh, toilet is separate with privacy glass. And you can put your books there to read. Okay, nice sink here and nice shower. Let me open it. Oops. Oh, it's locked here on top. That's really cool, so the door doesn't bounce. Nice shower with a bench. Okay, let's lock it back. All right, this is very nice sliding door. It's on both sides. Yeah, this cabin looks dramatic. I love it. And it has plenty of room. Look at this large wardrobe. And another side. There's drawers. All right. I love this solid surface. And of course, the cabin has a TV here too, in front of the bed. All right, guest cabin number 3. Oh wow, nice. Huge bed, king size. I like the design, very nice. There's a nice wardrobe here, pretty spacious. And here's another bathroom, toilet. Here's a storage, and the shower is right here. Shower with a bench. Let's go check out the flybridge. Very nice rail. Oh wow, this is pretty impressive. Look at this. That is amazing. I'm gonna go slowly so you can take a look at it. Wow. And there's also a door that goes outside on both sides. Here's your seating area. And here's another table. Here's the other door. Door opens and leads to the outside area. And I have a surprise for you here. We'll get to it. You probably already see it, but let's look at this first. You have outside sink, your grill, and let's see what's in there. It's nice to be able to have ice here when you're fixing your drinks. All right. This is nice, beautiful dining table that accommodates 8 people easily with a nice TV. So if you would like to watch some TV, it's here. And are you ready for a surprise? Look at this jacuzzi tub. Wow. That is very, very nice. That's the ultimate party space. And there is shade above it that you can set up. Very nice. And of course, there is more sitting area. And here's the crane. All right. Gorgeous, isn't it? And, well, if you remember, we entered through the salon and now we're just going the other way. We're going to end up outside. All right, here we are. Well, let's go towards the front. Huge windows. Lots of extra doors. It's actually nice to have for your safety. Okay, let's go check this out. What is in here? Oh, wow. Here's another lounge, another seating area. And you can set up a shade so you don't get sunburn. Really nice. Let's see. Here's your anchor here. All right. Give you another look from this side. Very nice, spacious boat. Look at the slide, it goes up and down. Very nice, actually, very nice high rail. Okay, and guess where we are? We are back here on the flybridge. There's one more place that I want to show you. It's the garage and the engine room. Let's go check it out. We're on the main swimming platform. Let's enter the garage. There's a nice outdoor seating area. And there's a surprise here. These are your crew quarters. Little galley for the crew. Where's the refrigerator? Nice sink, cooktop, washer dryer combo, microwave, kitchen cabinets, and this is a bunk bed right here. And I like having instruments here so your crew can observe it from laying in bed. And here's a nice large wardrobe. Look, your crew will be really happy in this boat. Very nice. And they can do their work here at this table. Very nice. And this has a separate bathroom with a nice large shower. Let's take a look. Nice, solid surface flooring, lots of mirrors, lots of storage. But wait, there is more. No, we're not going to engine room yet. I'm going to show you another cabin for the crew. Another bunk bed. So you can put 4 crew members here. There's another big wardrobe. It's pretty nice. The beds are really nice, good size. And you can go up to the main saloon from here. Well, not main saloon, but the main level. All right, now last place, engine room, of course. Let's enter. Oh my gosh, this engine room is huge, and I like how tall it is. You don't have to bend here. I'm going to try to show you everything. This is where everything is happening. Yeah, there's a lot. And it's really easy to walk here, really easy. I hope you got to see most of it. Okay, and there are a couple other items here. It's a very nice boat here. Well, I think I showed you pretty much everything. That's a lot of a boat. Very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.